Hello friends, welcome to Power BI tutorial. Today we will understand what is cluster column chart in Power BI desktop. Firstly, we will understand definition, then we will move to practical session. So as I mentioned here, Power BI cluster column chart is useful to display comparison of multiple series as in vertical columns. So if you see here, this is cluster column chart and it will show you result as in vertical columns. And now each data series share the same axis labels, so vertical bars are grouped by categories. So if you notice here we have four types of labels, or you can say four regions. One is east, then west, then central, and then south. And under each label we are comparing multiple product categories. See, this is furniture sales data, this one is office supply data, and this one is technology sales data. Same for west, central, and south. I hope you clear the definition of cluster column chart. Now move to the practical part. This is my orders data set, and under order data set I have some columns like product categories, product subcategories, profits, region, and sales. Okay, so we will create same chart as you see here, and for this I need cluster column chart. So under visualization pane we have cluster column chart. Double click to cluster column chart. See, this is cluster column chart visual. Now we will drag region under axis and product subcategory under legend section and sales under value section. This is output of cluster column chart. And now we will set font size, font family for cluster column chart. So just select the cluster column chart, then go to format tab, and under format tab we have different properties like journal, legend, x-axis, y-axis, data colors, and data labels. So using journal property you can set x position, y position, width, and height for your cluster column chart. And using legend property you can set your legend font size, font family, and position. So if you see here, right now my legend position is in top. Now I want to change my legend position top center. See, so from here you can manage your legend positions, and also you can on off your legend title. So right now my legend title is on, so you can turn off the title. See, now my title is turned off for legend. And you can change legend font color. So I select blue. See, and now I change font family for legend, and then I change the font size for legend. See, now we will change x-axis font size, font family. So just click to x-axis, and from here you can change the font color for x-axis. Suppose I select blue, and I change text size. I select 50 pixel, and then I change font family. See, Arial. Okay, and same you can change for y-axis. So right now my y-axis position is in left, you can select right. See, now my y-axis position has been changed, but for time being I'm selecting left. And also you can change the font size and font family from here. So just select blue, font color, change the font text size and font family, I select Arial. And also you can change the display unit for your sales. So if you see here, right now it is showing sales in K. So you can change sales display unit. Suppose I select in millions, then I select billions. See, and then I select trillions. See, so from here you can change your sales display unit, but for time being I'm selecting auto, so it will take automatically your display sales display unit. Now we will change data colors for cluster column chart. So just click to data color, and from here you can select colors. Suppose I select yellow color for furniture, and blue color is fine for office supply, and then I select orange color for technology. See, so from here you can change data color for your cluster column chart, and also you can enable data labels. See, I turned on the data labels. You can see my sales against each product categories, and you can change the position for your data labels. By default my position is auto. Suppose I want to see data labels and inside of bars, so I select inside center. See, and also you can change font color, also you can change color for your data labels. Suppose I select black. See, and you can increase the font size. So right now it is 9, so I select 10 pixel. And you can change font family for your data labels. I select Arial. So from here you can manage the data labels, font size, font family, and color. And also you can change the title, font size, font color. So right now my title is sales by region and product categories. So just click the titles. You can change the title name from here. and also you can change the font color for your title. Suppose I select orange, and you can increase the font size from text size. Suppose I select 30 pixel, and you can change the font family for your title from here. Okay, now we will change border color. So from here you can turn on the border for your cluster column chart. So just click to turn on, and then click to border and select border color. Suppose I select border color light gray. Okay, so see here. So this is all about cluster column chart format properties. So I hope you cleared the definition of cluster column chart and how you can set font size, font family for cluster column chart. Thank you guys.